Alright, so I'm gonna give B some attention. Kind of just been putting him in the grass over there on the side, kind of having him sitting in the yard, just being not attention, giving him no attention at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and I just started vacuuming the carpet, started getting some detail in here. Got some drill, and I got a little bristle brush, and we scrubbed it down real good. I'm about to scrub the leather down. I do have some stains up here from leaving the sunroof open. As y'all know, whenever you leave the sunroof open, water will start leaking in, and it'll start sitting up here, and then it runs down the sides, and it'll cause this. So that looks pretty bad. We're gonna get rid of that stuff. I got a little interior cleaner that I'm about to set up, and we're gonna get that cleaned up.